different. They fixed the reinforce. Those are different brakes.
Yeah, that's not. That's actually pretty decent. Yeah, you're looking at an hour 15 minutes or so. They buy a Forgo and they always have an odd number. Even this piece of the game. They have 6 total cars. Yeah, they're probably running 4. Oh my gosh, I love
it's either 5 or 6. But they're cars for whatever. And they're named after Richard Kimball's children.
Red light, where are we going?
Probably train sensors on this track, so it basically runs over sensors to tell which is which.
Oh, steel vengeance. I'll ride it next year.
Surprised they were able to save 76% on the one structure with steel vengeance. It's not look off the track.
It's what? It's so fun.
It was in Main Street's original station.
Yeah, I just looked and it was 150.
That's 2.5 hours.
Here it goes. Goodbye, people.
Yeah, it has like, it's like